Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find products with valid serial numbers. So we have a table products and we need to output those products whose description contains only valid serial numbers. A valid serial number is the one that starts with the letters SN, followed by exactly 4 digits, a hyphen, and another 4 digits. In SQL, we write a select statement. We write a star because we need to display all columns we have in one table. And the table's name is products. In the word clause, we will write all the conditions that should meet the valid serial number. And afterwards, we will order by product ID. Let's define the first condition of the valid serial number. We need to write the pattern of the serial number. We write the % symbol in the beginning and in the end because the serial number can be in any position in the middle of the description, at the beginning or at the end. Then we write S and N, and the SN should be followed by any digit. We may allow 4 digits, a hyphen, and another 4 digits. This is our first condition. Second condition, we must prevent letters or numbers immediately before the pattern or after the pattern. Therefore, we write not like and we copy-paste the same pattern, and before the SN, we write the expression that we have to prevent, for example, any letter from A to Z or any digit. We will do the same, but this time we prevent any letter or any digit at the end of the pattern. Last step we need to do is to make sure that our pattern is case sensitive. In Microsoft SQL, we can check this by writing the collate statement for case sensitivity. We will use this for all 3 conditions. Now let's run the query. And we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we first define the pattern. We write the regex expression. The valid serial number starts with SN, followed by 4 digits, a hyphen, and another 4 digits. Now we need to make sure that there is no letter and no number after the serial number and before the serial number. In the parentheses, we write a question mark which will indicate that here are some instructions. After the question mark, we need an arrow symbol pointing to the left and an exclamation mark. An arrow symbol means look to the left of the main pattern and do not include any of these characters. And the characters are either a letter from A to Z or a number. We need the same instruction at the end of the pattern. However, at the end of the pattern, we do not need an arrow to the left because per default, regex will look to the right. Now we save this into a variable called pattern. Now we need to filter the description using string contains. So we take the data frame products and the description column, and here we need to use the string contains method. Now we need to check if the description contains the pattern that we just defined. This new dataset we will store into valid product dataset. Now we are ready to return valid products. Before we return them, we need to sort the values by product ID. Let's run it. We successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? SQL or regex with Pandas? Let me know in the comments.